Bitcoin is killing it. QubitTech is killing it. We are very happy over at the Savvy Bitcoin Wallet channel. Today we're doing a video on how to make passive income with your Bitcoin. I hope you like it. Stick around and enjoy. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another QubitTech video. Today I am going to tell you how to make passive income with Bitcoin. So today you can see here on QubitTech we have another $100 almost to withdraw. But today we're not going to withdraw. Today we're actually going to deposit. So we're upgrading the package. Right now I'm in silver and we're going to silver plus, baby. 5,000. It's going to earn us a monthly result of $12.50 and total result will be $12,500. I'm very excited and happy to share it with you all. One crucial step when you are upgrading your package is to not just come here and click the new package that you want and hit pay now. A lot of people make that mistake and end up buying the same or additional package than they already wanted. When you want to upgrade, you're going to scroll down to My Digital Licenses, which will show up here, and you have to click Upgrade. When you go and hit Pay Now, it's actually buying a separate package, which is very good for accelerating your ROI. If you don't have maybe, let's say, enough for the 5,000, you can buy 2 or 3 1,000 packages. You need to scroll down to the bottom and click Upgrade. And just to show you guys again how easy this really is to make passive income with Bitcoin, you're going to come over, click the link in one of my videos. You can go to one of the QubitTech ones or the one you're watching right now, and you are going to scroll down, click Show More, sign up for QubitTech, click the link, and it's going to bring you here to this page. You're going to click Registration, fill out these simple items that it needs you to fill out, click I agree, and I am not a US citizen. Remember, if you are in the US or Canada, you're going to need a VPN. I use one that looks like this. It's called TorGuard. It's very important. You will not be able to get into the site, and it will say forbidden if you try and just click the link as you're watching the video right now and are not using a VPN. So that's very important. Now let's get back to setting up your account. You're going to fill out this simple information, decipher the code here, and click sign up. It will bring you to your own back office, just like this, the one I have here, and you can start earning passive income. You're going to click the package you want. I definitely recommend going in with at least $1,000. When you're going with the bronze packages, it's not as effective, and you can see you will be earning a lot less for your money. Once you start getting to silver, silver plus, gold, and platinum, you can really start to see how that's going to add up every month. Select the package you want, hit pay now. But today, like I said, we were doing the upgrade feature where you can click upgrade and decide which package you want to go in. As I told you before, we are going into the silver plus package, so I'm going to click silver plus and hit upgrade now. Really cool option in QubitTech is that you can pay in Bitcoin or Ethereum. So we're going to do Bitcoin. And they're going to give you a QR code and an address that you can put into your wallet. You guys know we use Exodus, and I'm going to transfer the Bitcoin now. So once you guys have actually sent your Bitcoin, you're just going to come over here to this pink button and click I've paid. After that, it'll bring you back to your main panel, and you can scroll down and see that you're still in the silver license. So the upgrade takes a little bit of time to actually kick in and show on your panel. So you just have to wait a little while for the blockchain to send your Bitcoin through, and maybe wait at least a day before you're actually going to start seeing the results of your new package. If we click on the silver plus package, we're going to take a look at what I'm going to start earning, and it's going to be $12.50 every month until I reach $12,500. That does mean that I will be making ROI in 4 months if I don't share my link and just use the passive side of this platform, which I think is great. You guys know when you go over to my network, you can share your link. You can see down here that the transaction has been created, so it went through pretty quick. But back to what I was saying about the affiliates, when you share your link, you can make ROI a lot faster. Another great thing about the packages is that you can recycle your package into a bigger one. So you saw before that I only needed 4,000 to go up to the silver plus package because I already had 1,000 in my silver that I recycled over. There's something else that I wanted to show you guys this week, and that is the top 30 platform affiliates. If you click see more when you go down to here on the main panel, you can see all the top 30 affiliate teams that are in the platform. I thought it was really cool that I actually saw my sponsor on here, Oracle D. If you guys don't know who the Oracle is, go check him out on YouTube. His link is in the description below. He was number 30, actually showed up on the top 30 team affiliates. So the Wolves are going strong. Let's keep at it, guys. One other thing that I wanted to share with you guys is the rank that I will maybe soon be achieving. Now live, you can see down here that the external transaction has been confirmed. So that should now say I'm in the Silver Plus package. So let's see if we go over, check the main panel. Yep, right here, confirmed. It says digital license Silver Plus. So now tomorrow I will be receiving the greater bonus reward for my Silver Plus package, and I typically get about $10 a day if we're at 1% on the daily reports. Today I didn't do so well, but I should be getting about $40, around $50 every decent daily report. So that's really a great daily passive income for me doing absolutely nothing on top of the affiliate side, which I was actually just about to touch on. If we go to my network here, you can see that I am rank 0 currently, but I have surpassed the first line volume, and leg 1 volume is also completed. I just need $250 on my leg 2, which is actually my left leg. So if I were to rank up, that means I would be getting the rank bonus of $100 plus access to the matching bonus type. I actually don't have access to that because I'm still rank 0. If someone were to deposit $1,000 under my left leg, which is just the silver package for $1,000, I would skip rank 1 and go straight to rank 2 and earn both of these rank bonuses and 2 lines of matching bonus. So just by one referral, it could be possible that I jump 2 ranks with the work that I already have done. Sharing your link is really important in this platform, and if you are in it for the long haul, I think it's going to make a huge difference. You can see just in the short time that I've been making these YouTube videos, I've already received over $400 for the different rank bonus affiliate program. Creating a YouTube channel has honestly been really fun, and it's definitely worth it if you're in a platform like this. Now that you guys have seen me upgrade the package and show you how live to get into the Silver Plus package, I hope you guys will do the same. Definitely go click the link down below in the description. You can get in QubitTech. Remember, you need to have a VPN running. I use this one. It's called TorGuard, as I mentioned before. If you're in the US or Canada, you need the VPN. I really appreciate you guys tuning in for today's video, and if you enjoyed it, you should subscribe, like, and comment down below. The support has been amazing lately, and I've been really motivated to make more videos for you guys. I hope you had a great holiday weekend, and I will see you in the next update on the QubitTech series videos. Have a good day.